For recurrent spending needs in areas such as healthcare, preschool education, and security, we must recognize that these are necessary expenditures to take care of our elderly, give our children a good start in life, and keep Singapore safe and secure for our families. Many countries have taken the easy route by funding these recurrent expenditures through borrowing. We must not do this, as such borrowing shifts the burden of paying for today's needs onto future generations. This is not the Singapore way. A fairer and more robust approach is to meet recurrent spending with recurrent revenues. Hence, we must continually review our tax system to ensure its resilience. GST is a broad-based tax that contributes significantly to our fiscal resources. Last year, I mentioned the introduction of GST on imported services to make sure GST contribution collections remain fair and resilient in the digital economy. This year, I will tighten the GST import relief for travelers, given rising international travel. For travelers who spend less than 48 hours outside Singapore, the value of goods brought overseas that can enjoy GST relief will be reduced from $150 to $100. For travelers who spend 48 hours or more outside Singapore, the relief quantum will be reduced from $600 to $500. This will take effect from tomorrow. I will also tighten the alcohol duty-free concessions for travelers from 3 litres to 2 litres. This will take effect from 1st April 2019. As I announced at the previous budget, we'll raise GST by 2 percentage points sometime in the period from 2021 to 2025. When we raise GST, we'll ensure that our overall system of taxes and transfers remains progressive and fair. We'll continue to absorb GST on publicly subsidized education and healthcare. We'll provide more help to lower-income households and the elderly by enhancing the permanent GST voucher scheme. We also cushioned the impact of the GST increase for a period through a GST offset package. Lower and middle-income households will get more, and more details will be announced later.